Try to get a better shot of these. Alright, just lifted up this blue barrel and we got the first find. No, don't lose them. This is, I don't know what kind of scorpion this is. There we go. No! He jumped right off my hand. Brother, I'm not trying to hurt you. Stay on. There. Little Northern California. Some kind of scorpion out of Northern Cal. But as you can see, they got big meaty pinchers, so that means its venom is not very bad. But cool first find. I'll get some nice pictures and video close up. I'll get some better ones right now without shaking as much, but cool find. Hopefully find some more.